Hi hobby mechanics, here I got my new Proxxon 1/4 inch ratchet where I already cut the ties so that I can easily show you. It looks really nice, small and handy thing. The size is approximately 15 centimeters. It has a really nice control here for the left and right, and here the button to release the sockets. I haven't used it yet, so it's brand new. I hope it's going to serve well, like my old one, which I bought in Louis, Germany, maybe 10 years ago, which still works well, although it's a little bit loose here, so it started being a little bit shaky, so it's probably because of so many years of usage. And this toggle here is not loose, but sometimes or quite often, if your hand is close to this, you can switch it just by accident or move it a little bit. So it's not working perfectly anymore, and this is why I have decided to replace it with a new one. Still didn't need a professional tool, so I hope this Proxxon will work well, although it can fit into this box, but I will probably just green here a little bit to make it working. And that's for today. Thank you very much for watching.